Hi everyone, today I'm cooking my roast spiced cauliflower recipe. So I just love this recipe. It's got so many lovely ingredients in it. It's so fresh, tasty, not to mention healthy. And if you previously thought cauliflower was boring, then you certainly won't be thinking that after trying this recipe. Enjoy! First up, I want you to break or chop the cauliflower into florets and arrange in a baking dish. Next, smash your garlic cloves with the base of a knife and arrange evenly around the dish. Next, drizzle your cauliflower and garlic with the extra virgin olive oil, add your seasoning and spices, plus your lemon zest and juice. Finally, bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for half an hour, tossing halfway. Then serve and enjoy.